Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change story language on WattPad. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you are using Android phone and you want to change the story language on your WattPad, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your WattPad and click on your profile at the upper right corner of your screen and click on settings icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on account settings and here at the preferences section you can see the language section. So just go ahead and click on that. And here you can see all of the available languages on WattPad. So just go ahead and click on that. And now that is how you change the language on WattPad. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.